Thank you for coming, Vijayalakshmi Birla from Shankar Dance Group. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming, Mrs. Varsha Javdekar from Nitya Varsha Dance Group. Thank you, Varsha.
Hi everyone. Can you give a big round of applause for Rahul? Yeah, that's good. Because we put all three local artists together. It's a lot of work. Coordinating with everyone's schedule, everyone's students. It's a lot of work. He's great. Thank you so much, Rahul. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Vijayalakshmi. So now, we will begin our certificate and trophy distribution for our Tabla Talim Sanstha students. I would call upon stage to all the students from Tabla Talim Sanstha. Heyman, Heyman, Agam, please line up. Give him a big round of applause, please. Vishal.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Hey, hold my hand again.
Woo! Dhruv. Siddharth. Don't stop clapping. Aditya. Prasanna. Yay, Prasanna. Woo! Now, my son, Agam. No, that's good. Pirinchi. Please give him a applause. Chaitanya. Aditya. Pankaj. Ansh Thakkar. Arun Prakash. Arul. Manav. And Saunesh. Thank you everyone. Thank you all the kids, parents, everyone. I would like to take a moment to thank all the volunteers, sponsors and all the fabulous audience here to support this event and making it enjoyable and successful. Special shout out to all volunteers for stretching themselves, taking time out of their busy schedule for this event. Fabulous arrangements and support. Special thanks to all Tabla Talim Sanstha students, parents, all our guest performance from Sankar Dance Group, Nrityavarsha Dance Group and Musica Music School. All your performances brought very positive, energetic and divine vibes to this venue. We sincerely appreciate all the hard work and dedication to keep the love going for the art. You are truly the torch holders to keep the traditional Indian art alive in this foreign land. Lastly, a huge thank you for our beloved Rahul sir. From all the students and parents, a great display today is all because of your dedication and hard work throughout the year. Your passion to keep the art alive and thrive in your younger generation is unmatched. Thank you, Gurudev.
Thank you, Niyatiben, for your awesome anchoring, and we will see all of you next year. Thanks for all your support. Please enjoy the food. Make sure you finish all of it.
Thank you everyone again. For the bottom of my heart, we will be having dinner and please enjoy the rest of this wonderful evening. Thank you. Thank you so much.
ओके इकडे बसले